How to fix wrong date and time on iPhone. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is simply move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to General. Now scroll down and you'll see the option of date and time. Click on it. It will land you on this page. So if you haven't enabled Set Automatically in your date and time, you will be able to change it yourself. So simply click on this date. From here, choose any of the date that you want to, or choose a specific date of the day. Once done, you can also change the time at the bottom. From here, change the time accordingly. Or if you do not want to do all of these, then all you can do is enable this option Set Automatically. And there you go, the date and time has been fixed. So this is simply how you can fix date and time on iPhone. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial.